that these individuals lived about 300,000 years.
This can fall apart and new passages can open up over time.
So maybe it's not that they entered from the challenging terrain from below. Maybe instead,
had a partial skull, a pelvis.
Old, adults, juveniles, even an infant.
What if everything we thought about human origins was about to change? Deep in the deserts of Morocco, 16 fossilized remains were discovered that challenged what scientists believed about when and where Homo sapiens first appeared. These aren't just old bones, they're keys to rewriting our story. In the mid-2010s, archaeologists uncovered unusual fossils at a site called Jebel Irhoud. Unlike the familiar finds from East Africa, these fossils blended modern and ancient features. The faces resemble ours, with flat noses and rounded cheekbones, but the skulls hinted at an older, more primitive lineage. This strange combination raised urgent questions. Who were these people? Were they early humans or members of an unknown branch of our evolutionary tree? The scientific world was left stunned. The breakthrough came with advanced dating methods. Using thermoluminescence and uranium series dating, which measure the age of minerals surrounding the bones, scientists found these fossils were around 300,000 years old. This pushed back the previous estimate for the emergence of Homo sapiens by a full 100,000 years. For decades, the accepted timeline placed our species' origin around 200,000 years ago, largely based on discoveries in East Africa. But Morocco's fossils demanded a profound rethink. This wasn't just about adjusting the date on a chart, it changed how we understand human evolution itself. Being a third older means the traits defining modern humans, the shape of our faces, the size and complexity of our brains, evolved more slowly and over a longer period. Think of discovering your family history is far older than you ever realized, stretching back into a deep, untold past. The story of how humans became uniquely human now appears as a gradual process unfolding across hundreds of thousands of years. The fossil's location introduces another twist. Until Jebel Irhoud's discovery, East Africa held the exclusive title as humanity's cradle. But this site lies almost 3,000 miles west, challenging the idea of a single birthplace. Instead, it suggests a Pan-African origin where multiple populations across different regions contributed to the emergence of modern humans. Rather than a neat Garden of Eden, human evolution comes into focus as a vast mosaic shaped by communities adapted to diverse environments. This understanding shifts how researchers view humanity's past. Africa is no longer just one stage for human origins, but a sprawling, interconnected landscape where evolutionary changes occurred simultaneously across multiple locations. It demands re-examining old theories and embracing new data with openness. Scientific progress is rarely smooth, and this discovery ignited intense debate. Some doubted the dating methods or fossil classifications. Rival teams contested interpretations and funding, while others wrestled with the ethics of rewriting human history. Yet this rigorous scrutiny strengthened the findings, proving how science thrives on challenge and refinement. Fast forward to today, and technology has transformed the study of fossils. High-resolution micro-CT scans reveal bone structures without damage. Genetic sequencing connects ancient remains to living populations in surprising ways, exposing hidden links in our DNA. Even consumer technologies like Apple's LiDAR scanners embody similar principles, reflecting cutting-edge methods in paleoanthropology. These tools turn silent fossils into vivid stories of survival, adaptation, and identity, forged amid fluctuating climates and shifting terrains hundreds of thousands of years ago. They reveal more than dates and bones. They bring to light humans who lived, loved, and created. For our own identity, the Moroccan fossils remind us we are not the product of a sudden moment or single location. Humanity emerged from a broad African tapestry woven from many threads. Multiple regions, peoples, and evolutionary pressures over vast millennia. Like a great river fed by many streams, our species' story is collective, interconnected, and far more diverse than previously imagined. As we stand here in 2025, this fuller understanding shapes how we view the present. The smartphones we carry, the medical advances we rely on, and digital innovations all trace back to a heritage marked by curiosity and adaptability. If this story inspired you, please like, comment, and subscribe. The tale of human origins is far from finished, and each discovery brings us closer to understanding who we truly are.